Yes, people, come through, man. How you doing, man?
Come, you said come.
Good, yeah.
Okay. So, obviously, let me tell you one main thing that happened,
Yeah. So, by the way, just to give you context, we're in Raleigh Regis again.
Yeah.
We just put up again. Obviously, this property we did recently, done a full house refurb.
Yeah.
And we're just going to show, well, we're just showing each other again the house.
Catching up on the cameras. It's not planned, but
Yeah.
okay. I want the camera to just span over there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Best believe, yeah. So you see that there? Best believe I didn't put that in. Best believe I don't know who put that in. Let me explain.
What the heck? That wasn't there last time. So
Let me explain. So obviously, when we started refurb, right, for this property, we didn't pay the bills in it because we didn't work. So obviously, tenant's gonna pay the bill eventually in it. So I didn't set up the account for the gas and electricity, so I just left it. Obviously, eating free bill. Eventually, I was gonna pay it. Obviously, once everything's done. Now, and I wasn't really opening letters.
Yeah.
So the next thing, I walk in the other day, I see a letter on the floor saying we've had to go into your property to like fit one of those.
Mad.
Because when I hear it, I asked that question again. So what I'm thinking, obviously, maybe I'm mad, didn't it? But the door locks wasn't changed. The lock still works.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can force your way in and then go back to. But all I'm saying is that I don't know who fit that.
Yeah, mad.
I don't know who fit that.
Were all windows closed? They could have climbed through.
All we know was closed. Like, all we know was there was no one about. Like, all I saw was a letter to say we've had to go into your property. I don't know if I got it here. This is it. So we paid getting your home today using the warranty granted by the court to get in. So I'm like, what did I do? What did I do? But obviously, like I said, obviously I was just thinking about trying to get the house done and then kind of try to close and stuff like that. But yeah, that was a little
story in that. But yeah, I think we'll turn around. Obviously,
yeah.
in the first room right now, as you can see, it's looking fresh. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Obviously, with the last house we showed you, fair work to do, but this is a better representation of like how our standard is and stuff like that.
Yes.
But yeah, where should we show them? Just go in it.
Again, we went for laminate on the bottom floor to try and kind of because
We chose to keep this as well. We was actually going to get rid of it, but we chose to just tidy it up, make it look nice, which I think gives some character to the house, right?
Exactly.
Gives nice character.
You know what a character I can. Very acting the character. I think the artist.
You know what I'm saying? I like it, man.
Actually, this section here, I designed myself.
Oh wow,
So,
interior designer. You get me?
tiles I picked. So if you like classic, but the tiles I picked.
There was a different colour. I think you should went up for, but you know, it still looks nice.
Big man.
It still looks nice.
Artistic director.
It still looks nice.
No, but yeah. So I picked the tiles.
And the tiles are nice.
Thank you, man.
Obviously, the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
This is the £500.
The
If you get buy the house for £500.
fake-
Yeah, everyone on Instagram keeps saying £500 for the house.
Where?
I don't know what you were asking. I don't know what you want.
Accra, maybe.
You want us to be a magicians?
It ain't Accra.
Yeah.
The famous kitchen.
Maybe, but not in.
Facebook Marketplace.
So yeah, we've got Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's a used kitchen, but as you can see, it does the job. It's simple there. It's fitting nicely. Came with the appliances. Came with the cooker hood. The whole thing.
Still looks good quality.
Exactly. So man, you got to take money where you can. Man.
Exactly, man. Favorite part of the house for me is the bathroom.
Yes.
It's very, very clean. Go inside, check it out.
I interior designed it for anyone that book me, you get me, shout me. So I picked the tiles and all of that jazz.
See how he's been smart here, yeah? Let me just show you what he's done here, yeah? See the tiling here? See how he just stops here?
Yes.
And you don't have to do the whole bathroom, but he's just done it here, yeah? And it just looks really clean and tidy, but obviously he's doing that strategically so he can save a bit of money, but it really looks good, I think. So it's nice, man. Fresh sink.
Yeah, but we didn't get this off Facebook Marketplace. This one actually.
Yeah,
just got money for this. So, yeah. We decided to go for carpet.
No, I ain't gonna lie. See Goke, yeah?
Yes.
He likes this grey colour. Like, I like it, innit? But there was actually a lighter grey, a bluer lighter grey I wanted to get in it, but I decided to go with his one.
I can think this is his own house. Like,
This is what I'm saying.
I thought to myself,
I mean,
I need to get it hard wearing to last long.
I hear it.
Blah blah blah. You need to last long, so we try for a darker colour in it more.
One thing I do like about the rooms, high ceilings, innit?
Yeah,
It's very, very good in terms of, when it comes to that valuation.
It gave me character.
It does give character though.
No,
You need an old old Victoria house is very it's tall, it's big. It's
That word again, innit?
Yeah,
Character.
He's a
character guy.
guy.
What I say?
The winner's a single glaze, by the way.
Yeah.
Obviously, if it was double glaze, it kind of helps, but we're only trying to save money for this one, you know?
Yeah.
Each project, you have to treat it how, like, separately.
Yeah.
The project that you know that you need to put in a lot of money to achieve what you're trying to achieve.
Exactly.
This one's a standard
You've got to do
single.
your numbers, innit? You've got to make sense.
Exactly. Standard single, so we just did what we had to do. I wouldn't even say bare minimal because we've done everything. We plastered the whole place, so we've done a lot of work. You lot should have seen what it looked like before.
Facts.
Roll the clip. Roll the clip.
You know what, yeah? Before we get to describe this room, and I want to describe the last room.
Yeah.
That's probably the biggest
Yeah,
room.
again, with this one, we've done a funny, weird thing here whereby, the stairs was really steep.
Yeah,
So-
that's what I'm going to describe.
Yeah, stairs was really steep, but what we wanted to do before was try and do some next fancy stuff.
Yeah.
Move the door, blah, 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 we didn't. So we wanted to maintain the size of the room, so all we just did was make it a bit, but actually we'll walk through that now and then. But
But essentially, one of the biggest things in the house, except for obviously the bathroom that looks sick downstairs, we actually did like a loft conversion. So
No, you mean as in converting loft, not loft conversion?
yeah, converted loft basically.
Don't up the loft.
Basically, so there was a stairs that was going up to the loft, but maybe the previous owners they weren't really using it as a room and stuff. But we decided to actually utilize that space, so we made these new stairs that go upstairs, widen it out, and then obviously you see
Started earlier.
yeah. But you see the loft upstairs, like it looks really nice. We've done it up, made it proper nice, carpets, doors, everything, the full works. So now they basically you create a proper third bedroom. Obviously that pushes up the value. So again, really good. This wasn't here before as well, so there was sort of no sort of thing kind of blocking this space. So obviously we've created that little thing here. And as you can see upstairs, whole different other room, third bedroom. No spotlights up here, but still just normal lights. It's a good space.
Got storage
units here. Got a great view from the window. So again, character, you get me? Bare character.
That's a great view for the window. The window's muggy, but it's the weather, isn't it?
When you open the window, that's what I meant. When you open the window, you get me? This guy's trying to fight me.
No, I'm just saying you can't be.
You can't
be open the window
because. No, but off camera, you're gonna fight.
No, like, we can do that, but I'm just saying.
Do it on camera.
I wasn't talking like this after this. I'm saying. I was talking like this before.
Anyways,
I'm saying.
yeah, we just want to show you quickly what we just finished working on.
Yeah, I feel like we're always showing them like befores, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think it's important to show them like something that's actually done,
Yeah.
so you can see the quality of the what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, just hang out with us sometimes and just see what we're up to, really.
Yeah, exactly. So days like this, it's busy. Go. So we just we'll link up and just do a few things. So yeah, man. But till next time.
Hope you enjoyed it, man.
Hope you
More
enjoyed it.
before and afters, and you're gonna see a couple of the befores of how it looked before.
Yeah.
And you can see how it looks now. So yeah, probably some more before and afters coming soon, man. But yeah, from Property Strat,
Peace out.
Town. Property Strat to the world. I'm back. Get me. We need to talk though, because the way you were trying to chat to me, I didn't like it.